There are thousands who tried selling at Etsy but failed. You know why? Because they don't do product research and just follow the trend, which has very high competition. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 8 most unsaturated digital product ideas you can start selling right now. I've done all the legwork, scouring successful shops and analyzing trends from the past year. So, you'll see that if they can do it, you can too. You just need to find the perfect product. Stay tuned till the end because I'm sharing some killer tips and different difficulty levels to help you decide if this opportunity is right for you. So, let's start. Digital product idea number 1. With the boom in entrepreneurship, everyone is looking for tools to streamline their business. And that's why business trackers are becoming popular. Check the small business bookkeeping spreadsheets on Etsy. It costs around $20 and has 71 reviews, meaning it sold at least $1,420. And upon checking, their shop Hey Mary has a total of 55,888 sales, estimating that each item were sold for $20. Then their total sales is over $1,120,000. And you know that creating these trackers isn't too tough, but it does require some knowledge of Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. If you're not familiar with these tools, you could always hire freelancers from countries like the Philippines to create spreadsheets for just around $5 to $10. Just imagine you're an entrepreneur doing several important tasks daily. A well-designed business tracker can help you manage tasks, track progress, and streamline your workflow. The difficulty level for this category is moderate at 3 out of 5, but the potential payoff makes it worthwhile. If you're good with these tools or can find someone who is, you can get into a market that's growing fast. Digital product idea number 2. Remarkable digital planners are gaining popularity recently. One particular shop, Creative Dreamers Co., has sold over 89,500 items with their different niche of digital planners. Their average price is about $8, making over $716,000 just for listing a product twice a month. This niche is promising because it's less saturated compared to general digital planners. Tapping into these specific sub-niches can lead to greater success due to lower competition. The difficulty level here is a bit higher at 3 out of 5, mainly because you need to learn specific tools for creating these planners. Think about the user of a remarkable tablet, combined with the tactile satisfaction of writing on a tablet. By creating digital planners tailored to this experience, you can meet a unique demand. The investment in learning how to create these planners can pay off big time as the user base for these devices grows. Digital product idea number 3. Another digital planner idea, especially with the rise of influencers, the demand for organization tools is skyrocketing. Social media planners, especially those designed for Notion, are becoming indispensable. Look at the shop Creative Jam Co., where they have been able to sell around 329,000 items. Let's say the average price of their listing is $5, multiplying with the number of sales, they made around $1,650,000. This shop has been around for 4 years. We can say that they earn $410,000 a year or $34,300 a month. And learning to create these templates on Notion requires some effort, but it's worth it. Imagine an influencer using multiple platforms, content schedules, and brand partnerships. A well-crafted social media planner can help them stay organized and efficient, leading to more successful campaigns. I'd rate this category's difficulty a 3 out of 5. Digital product idea number 4. Imagine a world where parents and educators are scrambling for affordable yet effective educational materials. This is where you can make a profit out of preschool printables. There's a huge trend of people seeking more cost-effective ways to enhance their educational toolkit, making this a product with massive potential. Once a parent or a teacher finds a product they love, they often become repeat buyers. By constantly expanding your offerings, you can build a loyal customer base much better than other categories where loyalty is harder to come by. Take this example. A simple alphabet tracing cards was sold 64 times and it cost $3. Upon checking their shop Crucian Art, they were able to sell around 41,200 items. They even have more expensive products, but let's say the average of their items is $6, and the earnings is around $250,000 just by selling kid stuff. One key to their success is the way they present their products. They use real-life photography instead of digital images, giving potential buyers a tangible feel of what they're purchasing. This approach can set you apart from competitors who stick to purely digital mock-ups. The difficulty level for creating these products is super low, just a 1 out of 5, because many can be made using Canva. Think about it. With just a few clicks and some creativity, you can create engaging educational printables that parents and teachers will love. And the best part? Once you create a product, you can sell it over and over again without any additional work on your part. Digital product idea number 5. Daycare forums are another easy-to-create product with great potential. Many different industries need similar templates, so there's room to expand. This shop, Prosperous Printables, sold more than 47,400 products, and their average price is $15. That makes about $711,000. Canva is the go-to tool for creating these forms. making the difficulty level a mere 1 out of 5. You can quickly expand your product line by tweaking fonts and color palettes, creating new listings with minimal effort. For instance, you can take a basic daycare form template and customize it with different themes or colors to appeal to various daycare centers. This versatility makes it a great starting point for anyone new to digital product creation. Digital product idea number 6. SVG digital products have been thriving, and now there's a growing interest in Canva frames. These frames allow for greater customization, appealing to those working on DIY projects. An example shop has a listing of 2024 real estate template that costs around $150 and was able to sell 17 products. Just this listing alone was worth $2,550. And I just want you to know that this shop is just a few months old and has sold almost 1,600 products, which is around $240,000 in revenue. Creating Canva frames involves an extra step compared to SVGs, but it's still relatively simple if you're familiar with Canva. The customization is a big draw for creative users. Canva's user-friendly interface makes this process accessible, even for those who aren't designing experts. This category gets a difficulty rating of 2 out of 5. Digital idea number 7. The wedding industry is ever-changing, always looking for fresh ideas. As someone who's planning a wedding myself, I've noticed a preference for new trendy templates over established ones. This means new sellers have a great chance to stand out. This listing, Luxury White Wedding Planner, that cost $45 was able to sell 1,100 items, which is close to $50,000 just for a single item. And this shop has 82 products, and I'll leave the calculations to you at this time. But you can think of it like they're earning at least $50,000 a month. Creating these checklists is easy with Canva, making the difficulty level a 1 out of 5. There are plenty of other untapped ideas within the wedding space, so it's worth exploring further. For example, you could create seating chart templates, budget planners, or even customizable invitation designs. Each of these products can cater to the ever-evolving tastes of couples planning their big day. Digital product idea number 8. Here's a twist. No-sew crochet patterns. This category has seen a surge in popularity. This top, Toy Store Patterns AU, makes a staggering $1,280,000 from selling cute animal crochet patterns. The high profit margins are appealing, but the difficulty level is a 4 out of 5 because it requires specialized knowledge. However, partnering with someone who has the skill can help you go with this profitable market. If you have a friend who loves crocheting, you can collaborate. They create the patterns, and you handle the marketing and sales. This partnership can be a win-win, combining creative talent with business acumen. The beauty of digital product is their scalability and high profit margins. Once you create a product, it can sell repeatedly without additional effort, making it a fantastic way to generate passive income. I want to thank you for reaching this far. Comment down below if you want me to create a step-by-step tutorial on how to sell and make money with Etsy.